So dear students, in the last class we have discussed about intervals and types of intervals, in which already you know that open interval. Okay, so once again I want to recall, interval is nothing but interval. So first, interval is nothing but it is a set. Interval is a set of all real number. Interval is a set of all real number between any two numbers. Between any two numbers may or may not be including those points. So on the basis of including or excluding the endpoints, we are going to classify the intervals, such as open interval, closed interval, semi-open interval, semi-closed interval. Okay. So second one, closed interval. Closed interval. So already you know that open interval. So open interval is nothing but the definition. See here once again. Suppose open interval, here I am taking open interval, then let A and B are two real number such that A less than B. That means A is smaller than B. Then the set of all real number X satisfying A less than X less than B, then that is called open interval. So but here we are going to discuss about closed interval. So closed interval is equal to what? So let A and B are two real numbers. So interval is nothing but it is a set of all real numbers between two numbers. So we are taking two real numbers such that A is less than B. The condition is applied where A is less than B. Then the set of all real numbers X, that means X is the number in between A and B. In between A and B, satisfying A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B is called open interval. That means the value of X between A and B. So observe it carefully. Here less than or equal to. Okay. So A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. That means so including set of all real number between A and B, including A and including B. Okay. So that means so it is denoted as open interval. Closed interval is denoted as closed bracket A comma B. So this is the closed interval. Okay. So is nothing but closed interval A comma B is nothing but is a set of all real numbers satisfying the X such that X belongs to R. X is a real number. X belongs to a real number and A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B less than or equal to B. So this is called closed interval. So observe here, this is also one of the set. Closed intervals. Intervals is given, it is also one of the set. So your conditions are applied. So what are the conditions? So closed interval A comma B is given. It is a set of all real number X such that A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. Okay. So it's also, so observe here. So A closed interval. So mathematically it is denoted as A closed interval A comma B. So and it can also be written as A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. So it means so including A and B. Okay. Set of all real number. Set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers between A and B, and including A and B, including A and B. Okay. So this can also be denoted on the number line. So like this. So see here, suppose this is the number line. So suppose this is A, and this is B. So set of all real numbers between A and B. So we are taking. So here, open circle is nothing but what? Excluding the point, excluding the end point. But here we are including the end points. So therefore, so we are taking closed circle. So this is the interval. This is the interval on the number line. So this is up to infinity. This is up to minus infinity. Okay. So this is called closed. That means including end point, including A and B, including including A and B. Set of all real numbers including A and B. Okay, is it clear? So once again, so closed interval A comma B, closed interval A comma B is nothing but it is a set. Set of all real numbers between A and B. Set of all real numbers between A and B, including A and B, including A and B. Very simple. The set of all real number between A and B, including A and B. Okay, so write down this. Okay, so it is not possible to write the notes in the given time. It is better to take screenshot and then write down. Okay, so next one is semi-open interval. Semi-open interval. Semi-open interval. So the definition is, let A and B are two real numbers such that A is less than B. Okay, so I am considering two numbers A and B, real numbers, such that A is less than B. Okay. So then, semi-open interval is nothing but, semi-open interval is nothing but, then the set of all real numbers x, set of all real numbers x satisfying A less than x less than or equal to B. A less than x less than or equal to B is called semi-open interval. Is called semi-open interval. Okay. So what it means? So set of all real numbers, it is denoted as C. So here I am taking open bracket A closed comma B closed bracket. Okay. So this is called semi-open interval. Semi-open intervals. That means, so it is a set A comma B such that it consists of the element x such that x belongs to real number and A less than x less than or equal to B. Okay, so it can also be denoted as semi open interval. So is nothing but, so open bracket A comma B and A less than x less than or equal to B. It means what? Set of all real numbers between A and B. Set of all real numbers between A and B. So condition is and excluding A, including B, including B. So it can also be represented on the number line. So that means set of all real numbers between A and B. So here I am taking open circle. Open circle means what? Open circle is nothing but excluding the endpoint. So see here. So this is the open circle. So open circle. Okay. So that means excluding A and including B. Okay. Set of all real numbers here. So many number of real numbers. Okay. Infinite number of real numbers are there in between A and B. So that means semi-open interval is nothing but it is a set of all real numbers between A and B So excluding A, including B. Okay, is it clear? So write down this. So next one is semi-closed interval. Semi-closed interval. So here small changes. I am going to change something. So let A and B are two real numbers such that A is less than B. Okay. So then the set of all real numbers. So we are going to define semi-closed interval. Semi-closed interval is the set of all real numbers x satisfying A less than x and less than or equal to x and less than B. So is called semi-closed interval. Semi-closed interval. So it is denoted as I am taking here closed bracket and here open bracket. Okay, so that is semi-closed interval A comma B is the set of all x such that x belongs to real number and A less than or equal to x less than B. Okay, so semi-open interval here semi-closed interval. Okay, so is nothing but here I am taking closed interval, here open interval. So it is also denoted as A less than or equal to x less than B. It means what? It means set of all real numbers between A and B. Set of all real numbers between A and B. So including A. See here, including A, excluding B. Excluding B. Okay. So on the number line, so here I am taking closed circle. That means including A. So closed circle is including A. So here I am taking open circle. So that means open circle is excluding the point in point B. Okay. So that is including A, including A and excluding B. Is it clear? So we are discussing four types of intervals. That is, one is so open interval A comma B, closed interval A comma B, closed interval so A comma B, semi-open interval so A comma B, semi-closed interval A comma B, semi-closed interval A comma B. Okay, so is the limit. These are all the set. Okay, so intervals is the limit. It is a set. So what it consists? That means it consists of the set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers between A and B. Need two real numbers. Okay, so in this interval, so set of all real numbers between A and B, excluding A and B. So very clear. Okay, so then closed interval A comma B is the limit. It is the set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers between A and B, including A, including B. Okay, so then semi-open interval. Semi-open interval is the limit. It is a set of all real numbers between A and B, excluding A, including B. Okay, so here semi-closed interval. So is the limit. It is a set of all real numbers between A and B, so including A, excluding B. Is it clear? So write down. Okay, is it clear? Next, we move on to semi bounded above. So bounded above. Unbounded. Unbounded above. Unbounded above. So this is also one of the set. Okay. So not consider here two real numbers, but the intervals A, the intervals A close bracket up to infinity. So this is called unbounded above. That means so A is greater than or equal to x. So x belongs to real number. So that means so it can be written as on the number line. Suppose this is the real number line, so up to infinity. So I am taking here, suppose this is A, so this is A, including A, up to infinity. Infinity is not a number. Okay, so it indicates infinite number of elements. That means unbounded above. So this is unbounded above. Okay, so unbounded below. So this is the interval. So open bracket infinity minus infinity, close bracket E. Okay, A to minus infinity. Okay, so it is denoted as so A less than or equal to x. Okay, so A or x less than or equal to E. Okay. Suppose I am taking E is greater than x, it may be confused to you. So I am taking this another form like interval. So that means associate. So already you know that in the interval A, close interval A comma B is equal to what? This can also be written as A less than or equal to B. Okay. So open interval A comma B is equal to what? So this is A less than x less than B. Okay, so like that I am taking, so here the interval A to infinity, it cannot, I am taking as A less than or equal to x less than infinity. So it is clear, set of all real numbers, that means A is less than or equal to x less than infinity. Okay, so that is called unbounded above. So similarly, so it can also be taken as, okay, this type of format is confused to you. So therefore I am taking like this only. So that is A x less than or equal to A. So less than infinity. Okay. So like this only. So A is A comma B. Close interval A comma B is equal to what? A less than or equal to x less than B. Similarly, so unbounded below is there, but it is a set of all real numbers between. That is between I am taking, this is not a number, so therefore the value of x less than or equal to E, up to minus infinity. So this is denoted as on the number line. Suppose this is this is up to minus infinity. Okay, so that is set of all real numbers, up to infinity, A to infinity. Okay. Suppose I am taking x is greater than or equal to 2. So this is unbounded above. So this can be represented on the number line. So see here. So on the number line this can be represented as 2 to infinity. Okay. So this is 2 to infinity. Okay. On the number line, so we are going to depict like this. Okay. So x is less than or equal to 2. x is less than or equal to 2 is nothing but. So on the number line, suppose we take this is number line. Suppose here 0, here 1. Okay. So up to minus infinity. Okay. X is greater than or equal to 2 is nothing but 2 to infinity, including 2 up to infinity. Okay. So here x less than or equal to 2. Suppose here 2 is there. Here 2. Okay. Here 2. So here 1. Here 0. This is up to infinity. Okay. So set of all real numbers less than 2, less than or equal to 2. Set of all real numbers. This means set of all real numbers less than or equal to 2. So this means set of all real numbers greater than or equal to 2. So generally, note here. So minus infinity to plus infinity. This indicate it is a set of all real numbers. It indicates set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Okay. Suppose I am taking 0 to infinity. Okay. So that is set of all positive real numbers. Positive real numbers. Okay. Suppose I am taking 0 to minus infinity. So this is set of all negative real numbers. Okay. So these are also intervals. So this interval is nothing but set of all real numbers. Okay. So this is set of all positive real numbers. Bounded, unbounded above. Okay. So 0, we are not considering 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So therefore 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity is the set of all positive real number. Okay. So 0 to minus infinity. This is unbounded below. Okay. So that is set of all negative real numbers. Okay. So note on this. So next we shall discuss some problems on the Tudor concepts. So that is, write the following as intervals. Okay. So here, so set is given in the roster form. Okay. So that means it is a set consisting of the element x such that x belongs to R. So and minus 4 less than x less than or equal to 4. So we are going to write in the interval form. Okay. So that means observe here. So minus 4 less than x less than or equal to 6. Which type of interval is this? So this is semi-open interval. That means, so excluding the endpoint minus 4 and including the endpoint 6. So that means, so excluding is equal to what? Excluding is equal to open bracket 4 and including is equal to what? Including 6. So this is the solution. Okay, so this is in the form of interval. Okay, so next one. So what type of interval is this? So this is excluding minus 12, excluding minus 10. That means it is a set of all real numbers. Between minus 12 and minus 10. So excluding minus 12 and minus 10. So is it what? Excluding minus 12 is equal to minus open bracket minus 12 and minus 10. So this is the solution. So next one is solution. Okay. So this is the set of all real numbers between 0 and 7, including 0, excluding 7. Is that right? semi-closed interval. Semi-closed interval. So that means including 0. That means closed bracket 0, comma 7, open bracket 7. This indicates excluding the end point. Okay. So next one is the set of all real numbers between 3 and 4, including 3 and including 4. So clearly, so including 3 is equal to including 3 is closed bracket 3 and closed bracket 4. Okay, so this is the solution. Is it clear? So here the set is given like this. We are going to write the convert this set in the intervals. Okay. So similarly, here intervals are given. Intervals are given. We are going to write in the set builder form. We are going to write in the set builder reverse form of this. Reverse form. So like that. Solution. Okay. So it is the minus 3 comma 0 is the limit. It is a set consisting the elements x. Okay. Such that x is a real number, x belongs to a real number. So condition is here what? Excluding 3, excluding 0. That means minus 3 less than x less than 3. Is it clear? Now set builder form. So reverse form of this. Reverse form of this. Okay. So similarly 6 including 6 excluding 12. Okay. So closed bracket 6 comma 12. So this is the divide. It is a set of all real number such that x belongs to all, and so including 6 including 12, that is 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12. Okay. So similarly we are going to write these two also. So that means so 6 comma 12 open bracket 6 comma 12 is it semi open interval. So is the limit? It is a set of all real numbers x such that x is a real number, x belongs to real number, and satisfying what? So x, that is 6 less than x less than or equal to 12. Close the bracket. So similarly, so it is the interval minus 23 comma 5 is the limit. It is a set of all real number x such that x belongs to real number, and minus 23 less than or equal to x, including the minus 23. So less than x less than 5, excluding 5. Okay, excluding 5, open bracket 5. Okay, I hope you understand all this. So in the next sessions we are going to discuss about universal set and operations on the sets. Okay, thank you.